Hi everyone, welcome back to Benny Course. Today is the topic about Python identifiers and literals. What is Python identifiers? Python identifiers is a name that we give to a variable, class, objects, or any other modules that we call it as identifiers. And these identifiers should be done some of the rules to create. Yes, these are the rules that we have to create an identifiers. So what is identifiers is I have some other another definitions is it is the named memory location. For example, name is equal to topic. In this case, if you check this, I may what I said named memory locations. If you want to check a variable, I mean identifier location, just give ID. So this is the built-in function to check the ID. And if this is named memory locations, if you want to locate her, that should be the direct value. If you check the ID of my name, Karthik, you will get the ID. So this is the named memory location. That is we call as identifiers. Okay. There are rules to create identifiers that we will be look like. The rules will be the identifiers can start with a or alphabetic like name. Okay, name we can create Karthik and we can create single underscore. Start with single underscore that also can be created, but numbers that should not that should not we have to create. We should not create like that. For example, 53 name. This will not accept by the Python. Yes. And if we put single underscore, that will we can create any number or anything. Can create. Create as identifiers. Yes. And built-in function like print, these are built-in functions. We cannot use it for also we can identify through the color and keywords like if and some other keywords like return. If you want to check the list of keywords in Python, just type help and inside this using the course type like keywords. You will get all list of keywords in Python. So this is how. And there are identifiers. There are three types of identifiers. First one is I'll put like single command, strong, strong identifiers, int, and strong identifiers. I mean, private identifiers, strong private identifiers. First one is private identifiers. So we'll remove this. So private identifiers, then strong private identifiers, then magical methods or special type of functions. Magical methods. So private identifiers will be like single underscore. Okay, this is called a private identifier. Strong private identifier means, for example, student name. This is strong private identifiers. We will assign any values. And if you want to create a double using double underscore, that will be a magical methods. That will be you will look at the special video about this. These will be a type of functions also. Special type of functions. Okay. So next topic is literals. What is literals in Python? Literals. So literals, it does mean if you want to check a variable or constant type, for example, raw data assigned to a variable while programming, if you want to check the type of data type of the that literals, we can use type. I mean round braces. I mean, this type function. If you want to check any value, any variable you can put inside this parenthesis, you will get the string literals. There are five literals are there. First one string, numerical, boolean, and then collections and special type of literals is none type. So these are the literals in Python. So this is about the identifiers and results. I hope this video is helpful for your Python learning. So do subscribe my channel for related data science, data analyst, analytics tools. If you want to learn, I will post those kind of tools series step by step, and it will be very very short videos. And do subscribe, likes, share, and give your meaningful and encourageable comments. Thank you.